Welcome, friends. Thanks for tuning in today. You have reached Tiffkneebaby TV, and we are back with another Sam's Beauty unit. Today, we're going to be talking about this super quick style from Sensationnel. This is the Instant Up and Down Style by Sensationnel. I have it in the style number 6 and in the color number 2. This one's going to be super quick. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch me work and see everything that I do to this unit. You'll see where we started and this is where we end up. So go ahead and drop that intro and watch me work. Alright friends, so I've been rocking my natural this week. As you can see, I'm in a twist out. I'm not even braided down, but that's a testament to how versatile this style is. It comes in 2 pieces. First, you have the ponytail unit, which comes with 1 comb. You also have the band, which we will wrap around the ponytail. The half wig has 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, adjustable straps, and a drawstring. And this just slides right in, super easy. Then I'm just going to wrap that piece right on around. I was super surprised at how full and pretty this ponytail was and how it was able to cover even the back of my hair with it not even being all the way up. This half wig is super easy too. It just slides in, clips hold it secure, and I tuck it in underneath as well. This hair is a bit on the silkier side and it does tangle a bit, but as you can tell, I'm feeling it and whoop, we're ready, baby. Alright friends, so here's my final thoughts on this new Sensationnel up-down instant half-do style. You guys, I love this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I will say this is a lot of hair. It's really long, it's really dramatic, and I probably will cut this half wig so that it's just not so much. I mean, this is all the way down to my butt. This is super dramatic and it's just a little bit more than what I'm comfortable in. But for the ease and the versatility, come on, you guys saw where we started. This is amazing. I will say that the ponytail, the only change that I would make is I would have some sort of Velcro or a clip or something that holds that wrap together more than just wrapping the hair around itself. Now the hairspray was enough to hold it and I do feel that that's secure. It's definitely not going anywhere, but it would have been easier to apply and install, especially for a beginner, if it had some sort of other security to hold it together, if that makes sense. I will say that I think that this is very, very slayed, you guys. This is seamless. You cannot tell that that is a half wig that's clipped into my hair. The way that they made that is just perfect. It looks so good. The density on the ponytail is outstanding, so if you want to wear just the ponytail by itself, you absolutely can. On the stock card, you have 4 different styles. You have the way that I'm wearing it here, you have just the ponytail, you have a low ponytail, and then you can wear just the half wig by itself. So there's a lot of different styling options and it's super duper versatile, and as you can see, it takes no time at all to get it together. So I'm a big fan. You can pick this up at Sam's Beauty. I will leave a link down below. Thank you to Sam's Beauty to sending this over to your girl to review. I just absolutely love this style. This is actually a style that I was going to wear to my best friend's wedding, which was supposed to be this weekend, but unfortunately has been postponed to COVID. But happy wedding anniversary, belated date to my best friend. I love you, doll, and this is what we would have been rocking. had we been in Las Vegas this weekend. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them down below. I'm happy to answer them. Make sure that you check out the description box for any links or any helpful tips that you might need to know. Be sure to leave a comment, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, sis. I appreciate the time that you spent rocking with me. Thanks for watching Tiffkneebaby TV as always, and have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, friends.